In Medrash Pliya in Menichין Tefillin el b'Shabbos, the Gemara says in Masechta Brochos, Daf Lamed Amud Beis, Ibdu es Hashem beyiro, begilo bereodo. The Melech says in Kapitel Beis in Tehillim, you should have Gilo and Reodo together. How is that possible? Omar Rab Ado bar Masna, Omar Rabo, b'mokoim Gilo, shom tehei Reodo. In a place of happiness, it should be serious. And the Gemara explains, Abaye have Yosef come the Rabbo. Abaye was sitting in front of Rabbo. Chazye, he saw him, the have kabodach tuvo, he was very happy. Omar, he asked him, Begilo bereodo ksif, you have to control your happiness. Omar lei, ano tefillin monachno, I'm wearing tefillin. In Sefer Meor Einayim, at the back there's a kuntrus, Yesamach leif. It's a posik in Mishlei. Meor Einayim, Yesamach leif. Shemua toivol, tedashen eitzim. Rab Nochum Chernobyl writes in Yesamach leif that Rabbo did not see that Abaye was wearing tefillin. Why is that? And he answers, because it wasn't a time that you don't see the tefillin. There are two types of tefillin. There are Gashmius dike tefillin and Rochnius dike tefillin. In the weekdays we put on Gashmius dike tefillin. On Shabbos Kodesh we put on Rochnius dike tefillin. Like a Neshama Yisero. And when a person feels that Neshama Yisero, those tefillin from Shabbos, he becomes very happy and he starts smiling. So Rabbo asked Abaye, what's going on? How come you're so happy? So he said, no tefillin kamonachno. I just got the tefillin from Shabbos. And the Riyah Kodesh is masbir that by Musaf, when we say Ayim Mekom Kevoidoi, the tefillin of the Nukva, of the Mekabeles, come on Shabbos. Which probably means that a person could be mechaven, to be moishech, to bring the tefillin, the emunah. Beshaz, he says, Ayim Mekom Kevoidoi, in Musaf during Shabbos. So that's what the Meor Einayim touches in Yesamach leif. And not tefillin kamonachno. I just put on that tefillin that you don't see, but I feel it. And I start to dance. So Iker tefillin is the tefillin from Shabbos. On the weekdays, we make an achona to be able to be mekabel those tefillin of Shabbos. Ein menichין tefillin elo b'Shabbos. Not the pshat of menichין tefillin elo b'Shabbos. Tefillin has an alocha l'Moshe Sinai that has to be meruboos. The bottom have to be squared. But not only the bottom have to be square, even the tefer, the sewing, has to be perfectly square. If the squareness is off by a millimeter or two, machloikis apoiskim, it could make problems. Now there's a machloikis Rashi and Toisves. If we need ריבוע on the bottom or on the tefillah alone, we are machmir. We do both. But Shitas Rashi is only the bottom have to be square. You don't have to sew the tefillin square. Toisves says the tefillah, the tefer has to be square. The bottom don't have to be square. So to be yoytze lechol hadayos, we have to make the bottom and the tefillah square. But not only the bottom, the titura also has to be square. That's the base of the tefillin. And behind the base of the tefillin is an alocha l'Moshe Sinai to make a ma'avarta, where the Ritzuah passes through. That ma'avarta creates a problem with Ribuas at tefillin. Because if you make the titura, the base of the tefillin square, the Ritzuah goes through the back of the bottom, and you can only sew three sides like a beget, like a imro. And that is the Shitas Rashi. The tefillah is not merubas, but the bottom and the titura is merubas. Tois's shita is that the tefillah has to be merubas, not the bottom. For that you have to make a titura boiletes from the other sides, and the ribua is going to take too much space. And there is an eitzah for that, to make the titura a little bit smaller, and to cut the corners of the titura in such a way that you see a ribua in all the four corners. What do we find that the ribua is enough in the four corners? We find by Shabbos, by the Pasei Biroos. Pasei Biroos alocha l'Moshe Sinai, that you have to have 4 diumden, amo alamo, like the Gemara says in Masechta Eruvin. So from Pasei Biroos, we'll learn how to make tefillin. That's what the Medrash Pliya says, and menichін tefillin elo b'Shabbos.